let's move on into the next one. Provide reference text, where I instruct the model to answer using a reference text, and I can even instruct the model to answer with citations from the text. Let me show you with a demo. Here I am taking advantage of the technique that I showed you a few moments before, where I have some text in between triple quotes. I'm also using the system message to tell the model to utilize the articles enclosed in the triple quotes to generate the answers. This is the reference text. The text is basically a very short murder mystery, where I want to see who is the murderer. When I execute, the model tells me that the text does not provide specific information on who the murderer is. So I'm going to ask, what do you need to find an answer? And the model tells me that more information is needed. So I tell it that some red paint was found in the scene of the crime. With this evidence presented, Victor Davenport is the most likely suspect. But still, the model is being very careful of not pointing fingers. And this is one of the best practices that you can use when working with a GPT model. Provide some reference text and then ask some questions to the model.